All right, we want to solve for the missing side. Looks like we kind of got cut off here. I think that's the missing side there, x. So I want to use this info. First of all, 30, 60, 90 are the special right triangles that we're dealing with. Those have side ratios of 1 to root 3 to 2. So this is the side that's opposite the 60. The side that's opposite the 30 is this guy right in the middle. So let's call that A, and let's figure out what that is. If I take that A and I multiply it by root 3, then that gets me to this 5 here. So that equals 5. So in other words, I take this 30, I take the side that's opposite the 30, I multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60, or in other words, 5. Go through and solve. I get 5 over root 3. And again, don't rationalize in the middle of a problem. Just because as you're working through the problem, it might simplify to something nice anyway, and you might be doing extra work. Just wait until the end to rationalize your fraction here. Okay, so I've got an expression for A. This is the hypotenuse in this particular triangle down at the bottom. I'm interested in finding this side here. First thing I got to do is take this, relate it to the side that's opposite the 30. Let's call that B. So if I take the side that's opposite the 30 and I multiply it by 2, that gets me to the hypotenuse. So 2 times b equals the hypotenuse. And in this case, our hypotenuse is 5 over root 3. So here I've got to divide by 2. And dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 1 over 2. So b equals 5 over 2 root 3. So that's my b. And now, in order to get x, or find x, I've got to take the side that's opposite the 30 and multiply it by root 3, since that's the side that's opposite the 60. So I got to take this thing, multiply it by root 3. That'll give me x. So x equals 5 over 2 root 3 times root 3, or just root 3 over 1. And this is what I was talking about. When you look at this problem, we've got a nice, easy simplification. Our square root actually drops off in order to give us an answer of 5 halves. And we're done.